is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. In the month of March, we are going to focus on yoga for strength.
In this session, we are going to focus on the full body for strengthening it. Let's go ahead and come to the front of your mat, shoulders back. Take a deep breath in and out. Start to become more in this present moment, more mindful of how the body feels. Then swoop the arms up over the direction of the head, holding them there. Then finding a chair. Unleash the hands if they're touching. Hands are about shoulder width apart, and hang out here for a breath or two. From here, we're going to place the weight in the right leg, step the left leg back into a right lunge. Relax the shoulders and just feel your body start to notice the muscles that are being strengthened and warmed up. Bring your hands down to your heart, shoulders back. Then you can keep your hands here or wherever you find your center of gravity for these next few movements. From here, we're going to bend the left knee and dip down. Then we're going to straighten the right leg, kick the left leg front, and coming back down to the ground, finding that right lunge here, shoulders back. Then inhale back up, take your time in, kick the left leg front, and back down to that right lunge all the way. Once more, up. And this time we're going to warrior prep the back left foot when we place it down. Right arm is in front, left arm is in behind for the warrior two. Shoulders back. Drop the left hand down, right hand faces up, and lean back. We're still bending that right knee, keeping a bend in it. Holding it here. Then find the warrior two. Right arm onto the right leg, left arm reaches up and over. Holding it here. Then coming back to the warrior two. Arms come to warrior one, which just means square the arms to the front. Pivot the back foot to that right lunge like before. Lean forward, step forward to chair pose, holding this chair, sinking into the heels. Weight goes in the left leg, right leg steps back. Hands come to your heart or wherever you find a good position. We're going to bend the right knee and then we're going to kick it front. Take your time and flex the foot. Bend the right knee, kick it back. 2 more times, you got this. Kick it front. Then bring it back and kick it up and front. Then bring it back. Holding it here, pivot the back foot. Left arm is in front, right arm is behind. Find your warrior two. Drop the right hand down, left hand faces up, dance it back. Keep a bend in this left knee. Make sure weight is not going in this back right hand. You're doing the work by holding yourself up. Come up to warrior two. Left arm drops, right arm comes up and over. Really reach. Deep inhale and exhale. Then come back up to warrior two. Square your chest to warrior one. Pivot that back foot to a left lunge. Lean forward, step forward to chair. Swoop the arms down and back and around. Deep breathing in. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift up. Hands come to your heart. Find your center. Shift the weight to the left leg, right leg picks up. Bring the right leg out to the side and into the center. And out to the side and into the center. One more time, out to the side, into the center. Figure four, the right leg on top of the left. Sit it down into chair, hold, hold, hold. Arms come up for more of an arm strength, upper body, while you're working the lower body. Lift up, cross the right leg over the left. Hands come on the hips. Hinge from the hips and find your forward fold. Relax your head and neck down. Gently come on up however you prefer. Placing your right leg down, left leg up. Keep that left knee up and then bring it out to the side and in. Out to the side. And in, back out to the side, then figure forward on top of the right leg, Sit it down into a chair, arms come up. Take a deep breath in and out, relax your jaw, relax your face. Weight goes in that back right heel. Stand it up, cross the left leg over the right, hands on the hips, forward fold, down you go. Sink in with an exhale. Inhale, come up however you prefer. Unravel those legs, arms come up to the sky, and find your chair. Send your weight to the right leg, left leg steps back. Inhale, lift, exhale, lean back, cactus the arms. Keep a bend in the right knee. 2 more times, inhale up. Exhale, back and cactus. Inhale up. Exhale, back and cactus. Hold, hold, hold. Keep the arms, cactus out, lean forward, step forward. And switch, left leg front, right leg back. Inhale up. Exhale, back and cactus. 2 more, up. Back and cactus. And up. Back and cactus. Keep the cactus arms, lean forward, step forward, hold here. Inhale, lift up, open the arms, stretch back, back bend, then forward fold. From here, bend your knees, walk it back into a plank, holding your plank. Drop the knees or don't, chaturanga down. Hover to baby or upward facing dog. So baby cobra, you can just be right here, this is fine. Working your back muscles, or you can be shoulders back, legs lifted, upward facing dog. From here, tuck the toes under, squeeze the core, downward facing dog. Find your plank. Chaturanga down. Baby or upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. One more time with this flow movement. Plank, chaturanga, baby or upward, and downward facing dog. From here, weight goes in the left leg. Make sure you're pressing into the fingertips so the wrists have the pressure relieved from them. Right leg comes up. We're gonna go into a flying plank, but the right knee is gonna go out to the right side. So the right knee on the outside of the right arm. Inhale, kick the right leg up. And this time the knee is gonna go to the right elbow. Hover. And up. This time the knee is gonna go to the left elbow. Hover. And up. Slowly bring the right leg down, and we're gonna do the same thing on the left side. Left leg goes up. We're gonna bring it on the outside of the left arm and hover. Good. And up. Left knee, left elbow, hover. And up. Left knee, right elbow, twist. And up. Gently lower the left leg down. Right leg kicks up to the sky. We're gonna bring the right knee to the left elbow, so it's a twist. Holding here, hold the twist. Kick that right leg out. So kick it out. We're gonna twist over onto the right side. Left arm comes up to the sky. Deep breath here, in and out. Left arm comes down. Bend the right knee. Find your downward facing dog, maybe shake it out. If you got a little confused there, don't stress out, just hold your downward facing dog. This time we're gonna do it on the other side. Left leg comes up to the sky. We're gonna bend the left knee and bring it to the right elbow. So it's a twist here. You notice it's hovering here. Kick the left foot out, so you're on the side of the left foot. We're gonna rotate the right foot down to the mat. Left arm is down, right arm is up to the sky. And bring the right arm down now. Bend the left knee, find your downward facing dog. And go ahead and come down with the knees. Give your wrist a break. Find your child's pose. If you want to bring your hands together in prayer, you can. Take a few breaths on your own here. Then we're going to walk the hands away. Come on up and turn on over into a crisscross seat for a second. From here, if you can place your hands in fist if you have any hand problems. If not, both onto your fingertips. Equally press and lift up and down, up and down. Once more, up and down. Place the feet together, legs come up, hands come in prayer. Take a deep breath in, bring the arms up over the head. Then exhale, twist over to the right. Inhale to the center. And and over to the left. Inhale to the center and over to the right. Center and left. One more time, both sides. You can do it. Inhale, left and center. Up and over. Go ahead and bring both knees into your chest. Rock side to side. Then we're going to bring the legs up with a slight bend. Tee the arms out. Take a deep breath in. Drop both knees over to the left. Only go as far as your spine will allow you without twisting too far. If you can go all the way over, go over. Inhale to the center. And over to the other side. Inhale to the center. Over to the other side and hang out there. Enjoy the twist. Relax your legs down. Right arm is out to the side. Relaxing your face, your jaw. Your head can be faced up or towards the right, whatever you prefer. Notice your breathing. See if you can control it with slow breathing, controlled breathing. And squeeze your core. Bring your knees up. Lift up your lower back to realign that spine. Drop both knees over to the right. The left arm is out to the left side. You can look over towards it or keep your head up. Try to relax your face, relax your feet, and just melt in this twist. Then bring your knees back up. Place your feet up to the sky. You can flex them for a hamstring stretch or keep them pointed, whatever you prefer. We're going to work the inner thighs going out as far as you can go out now, a little bit more if you can, and then back in with the exhale. 2 more out and together. Last one out and then together. Then from here, if you have lower back issues, keep a bend in the knee. If not, we're going to do straight legs and really kick the right leg up as high as you can and switch, kicking the left leg up and switch and switch and both legs stay up. Shake out the legs. This helps drain the lymph in your legs, helps you just calm down a little bit. Take a deep inhale, relax everything else, and hang out here for restorative with your feet up. If you have a wall and you want to place your feet up the wall, you can. And you can hang out here for about 7 minutes total or so. That just helps. Or you can go ahead and come on out with me by shaking it out. Turning over to the right side if you want to help drain that heart, or coming up, but use your core, come up slowly. There's no rush. Finding a tall seat. Closing your eyes, feeling your body. Notice how everything feels a little bit more warm and loose. Notice it and thank it. Deep breath in and release. Namaste.